Amelia, and thank you for asking me to talk with you today about my flute teaching studio, the Claude Flute Studio, Music Teachers of Hyde Park, and Marcia's Music. You had several questions. I hope I can answer them all, but you asked me how I got involved in teaching. And I started teaching when I was a sophomore at the University of Michigan. I was living in an apartment with my friends, and someone knocked on the door when I was practicing, and I thought, oh no, they're going to ask me to stop practicing. But they actually asked me if I would be willing to teach their daughter how to play the flute. So I taught the whole family, the daughter, her sister, and her brother, flute lessons, and then they asked me, would you teach piano? And so I taught beginning piano lessons, but then I finally had to say, sorry, can't teach trumpet. Their son wanted to learn how to play the trumpet, and I couldn't teach the trumpet. So I moved to Hyde Park in 1997, and I've been teaching in my home since then. I also teach at various schools, Whitney Young Magnet High School, St. Giles, St. Xavier University, South Suburban College. I love to teach. I like to help people play their flute better, learn how to play their flute better, or learn how to play the flute. I love to teach how to make music. And teaching is just a great profession because it's really give and take. I show someone how to be a better flutist, how to make better music, and they show me how to be a better teacher, how to be a better human. So I think you asked advice. My advice to young people, to my students, and to someone who might be interested in pursuing music or teaching profession is if a door is open, go through that door, or at least peek in to see what's there, because you never know where life will take you. Of course you should have goals, long-term goals, short-term goals, but if you don't try something, you'll never know. So I told you about my flute studio. I'm going to tell you about Marcia's Music, and that's one of those doors that opened up, and I thought, sure, I'll try it. When we had Ida in 2000, Joe and I decided we wanted to do some early childhood music and movement classes, and I had heard about the Music Together program from various conferences that I had attended earlier, but we tried the class and I fell in love with it. The Music Together program is really the best early childhood music and movement program out there. I know there are a lot of them and you have to try them for yourself, but Music Together is fantastic, and I'm so glad that I met Marcia when I was doing my training, and she had a studio here, Marcia's Music, in Hyde Park, and I started teaching for her. So I've been teaching for Marcia's Music since 2001 or 2002. And then Music Teachers of Hyde Park is a wonderful organization of independent music teachers like myself. We have violin teachers, cello, piano. We have Hyde Park Youth Symphony, the Suzuki schools that are in Hyde Park, and Marcia's Music. So if you have any questions and if you're looking for a music teacher, please visit us at mthp.org, Music Teachers of Hyde Park. And I think one of the questions you asked me too is advice, and I'd already talked about that. So my advice is go out there, do what you love, and have a great day. Okay, thank you.